Hello. What's going on and what does it mean for you? What's going on? It's all going down. What does it mean for you? Be careful. You still need to stay invested. Why? Well, look what happened last week. We were down 6%. We were up 6%, sorry. And now we're down because of what happened with the Fed. Literally, the market is hanging on to every single word that the Fed has to say. That is not the greatest thing to do. What kind of investment policy or strategy is that? What is the Fed going to do? Now keep in mind, that's the market. There are players out there making money off of you making the wrong decision. So the market is down, the market is up. That means that you have to be careful, but you need to stay invested because what could very well happen, yes, it's going to be a recession. Yes, earnings per share is going to drop. Yes, stocks are going to drop. But yes, maybe in December, he decides to stop the 75 basis point, which I believe, 75 basis points increase, because enough is enough. He knows the number that I'm seeing, and my numbers are going up and going down in terms of the inflation. For example, the Zillow market index, the rent index, is going down. So inflation is coming down a bit. Maybe there's no reason to keep increasing, but he's doing it for whatever reason. Let's see what happens after the elections. Maybe he stops. In that case, you're going to get caught flat-footed because then the market will take off. They're just waiting for that. They're waiting for him to stop. Some people are not waiting. They're doing investments. Stay invested. Invest a little bit at a time. Don't waste any momentum. The market might pick up earlier than you think. Keep in mind that the market looks ahead, right? So if it's looking 6 months ahead, it's saying, you know what? He's going to stop eventually. He's not going to put us down into a recession that deep, and things are going to be okay. Right now, they don't think that way because he did it again, right? And and he's saying the wrong things, and he doesn't want the stock market to go up today. But pains are starting to be felt. Pelosi sent an email to the Fed Reserve saying, hey, you got to calm down. Look what's going on. So pressure is building up for him, and he's reacted to one kind of pressure. Maybe he will react to second type of pressure. So maybe a pivot might be at hand. Get ready for potential stock increase in December when he announced not 75 basis points, but maybe 50 basis points. He sees the numbers, trust me, all of the numbers. He decides which one to look based on the decision that he wants to make. So everything is down, stay invested, things might be looking up for you.